Having a strong password is not enough to secure your account. The two-factor authentication is an additional security layer that will make sure that your eID account is safe from hackers. The 2FA is an additional one-time verification code received or generated from one of your chosen available options, which you will need to enter in addition to your username and password when logging into your eID account. All eID account holders must register and activate their two-factor authentication. A notification message will appear to activate your two-factor authentication. Click on Activate Two-Factor Authentication and you'll be redirected to enable this setting. Before proceeding any further, you'll need to verify your email account by entering the one-time verification code sent to your email address. Once the two-factor authentication is enabled, you will need to choose whether you prefer to receive the code via email, SMS, or an authenticator app. Should you opt to choose the SMS option, enter your default mobile number and insert the verification code received to confirm setup. If you prefer the authenticator app, first you need to identify on which mobile operating software you will be installing the app. Download the app if not already installed, pair the app with your eID account by scanning the barcode and enter the verification code generated by the authenticator to confirm setup. Once registered, you'll need to enter a one-time verification code when logging into your eID account. This code is automatically generated via SMS or the authenticator app. Your eID account is now secure and you're set to go.